Okay, guys, I figured I'd give you the intro now. I've dug several holes already. I'm concentrating my hunt between those two trees and down to this posted sign. Yes, I have permission. I double checked to make sure I was at the right spot. But there used to be a house that sat here. And so I'm going to work my way. The guy was super nice. He come and plowed it for me. What was it, Thursday, and today's Saturday. So, yeah, how nice of him to do that. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to concentrate my efforts. I invited a bunch of people out here because you can, let me walk up here. You can see the top. Where'd it go? There's an old school out here. It was in the 50s. Yeah, you can see the top of the school right there. Built back in 56, 59 or something like that. Heck, it's worth a swing just to see what kind of stuff might have been dropped, you know. You never know, you might find a but yeah, I'm gonna work this area and see what we come up with. So this is the dead end. This is the end of the road. This was house 101, and this is the road. So back in the day, it was just a dirt road. The concrete, the paved road, top of the hill there between those trees is where the paved roads start, maybe a little further. But yeah, where that house is, that's the main road. And I wasn't sure I was on the right thing. There's all these posted signs here, but I'm glad. Maybe that scared people coming out here swinging on this old property. So I'm after some silver. I mean, I found 3-4 wheat pennies already. I found a Indian, 1901 Indian. So let's get after it. I'm taking a hydration break, and so I don't fall out. It isn't too hot. Nice breeze. So I'm gonna get after it, and I'll catch up with you at the next hole. Out here at another permission, Old Town. Got my first sweet penny. Hopefully I'm finding the area where the house was. I should be able to get a date. Looks like, I was thinking 20s, but might be a fort, 1940 something. I gotta clean up some more and I'll take a picture of it. Okay, I'll see you at the next hole. Okay, another wheat set. Man, that's a 1920. I took a peek at it. But let me get it cleaned up so you guys can see it a little better. 1 cent is a 1920. So let's see if we can find some silver. We're on the hunt for silver. Okay guys, I'll see you at the next hole. I flipped it over. I re-swung before I packed anything back down, and still getting another single. And look at that, we're getting older. Looks like the wheat penny was a 1925 or 28. I gotta clean up some more at home. But now I found a 1901 Indian. How about that? So hopefully I got a good spot in the yard. and I'm gonna start finding some more good stuff. Okay, stay tuned. We'll see you at the next hole. Okay guys, I don't know how old that is, but the old relic, little sandbox shovel maybe, I don't know. Anyways, see you at the next hole. Okay guys, best single of the day. Let's hope it's worth something. 55 on the Knock the Legend. Ah! Okay. I'll see you at the next hole. Okay guys, got the first button of the day. That's a cover all button. Get back with you. See you at the next hole. What do you think? Suspender or possibly a picture? See that thing on the back? That's, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna keep on going and I'll see you at the next hole. This one's been through the ringer, but yeah. Anyways, that's that. Spoon. See you at the next hole. Okay guys, another coin. I'm sure it's a penny. Let's see if we get a date off of this. You guys see the 1 cent? There it is. Let's get a date. Need some sun. You guys see it? I can't see it. Okay. Looks like 40s maybe? 44. It's a 44 Denver. Okay guys, I'll see you at the next hole. Okay guys, just popped this plug. It was bouncy 39 to 40, but I see it right there. See it? Oh, it's a false alarm. I don't know what that is. Well, I'll figure that out when I get home. If it's anything significant, I'll let you know. Okay, we'll see you at the next hole. Solid 35. Looks like we got a little a mason jar here. And the lid is intact. I love it. How nice is that? Okay, that's a nice one. I've never seen that one before. M. Let me get the fragments out of here. It's gonna be an ordeal here. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna recheck this hole. And what a nice find. M. I don't know what that one is. I'll have to look that up. I'll post it at the wrap up when I get home, or you'll see it in the video what that M is. Okay, I'll see you guys at the next hole. Hopefully it ain't too big here. It's not giving me a dime. It's larger than a dime. So hopefully it's a rock. Oh, there it is, guys. What the heck? Well, there's our high tone. Sorry about the clanking, but looks like a Y. Okay, we'll take it. I don't think it's nothing too important, but it was attached to something. I don't know. I have to do some research. What is that, a Y or a T? What do you guys think? But it's heavy. Okay, I'll see you guys at the next hole. Another plug. I brought you in on this one. We're gonna find it together. I'm getting a solid 42. It could be an Indian. That's what I'm hoping. But there it is. Looks like a interesting. Back of the house. So I believe that house that that big tree there, and that pine tree in that area there. I was working the back of the house, all kinds of trash. In between those two trees is where I found most of the wheat pennies and that Indian. Now, maybe the far side of the house, got this old, probably a clock wheel or a gear. Anyways, it's something. I'll take it home, clean it up, see if there's a number on it. Okay, I'll see you guys at the next hole. Okay, guys, this is the wrap up of across the river hunt. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. The grass was a little high. Wished I would have been able to get the coil a little lower. Talked to the landowner, and they're going to be burning off some CRP in the spring. So about a third of the 50 acres is getting burned off. So hopefully he'll think about that, where the homestead used to sit, and he'll burn that down too. That'd be great. And I get in there closer to the ground, and I'm sure I can find some more stuff. Anyways, this thing here, this big old brass, this thing is heavy. Not sure what it was. I mean, it was something, and but it's a big chunk of brass. I look it up in on Google Lens, and I always get the Kodiak or the zodiac sign for the ram. So I'm sure that isn't what it is, but who knows. I did get this cool suspender clip. Probably a little more modern than usual ones I find, but I don't know what this lid went to, but I threw a whole bucket full of scrap pieces of metal with no markings like this. This is probably going to go in the scrap bin too. This disc is a smooth, so I don't think it was punch out, and it was copper. It's kind of neat. I don't know. Look, I look like maybe something could have been attached to it, but you know, after sitting in the ground, it's kind of hard to tell. But anyways, some fuse. This big chunk of piece of lead. See, I was thinking maybe this was some kind of bullet or something. I don't know. What's your thoughts? But that's a big piece of lead. Interesting. I try to clean this button up here. I couldn't read what was on there. So, yeah, if you have any ideas, let me know. What else? Porcelain lid from Boyd's. I like that. Old spoon. Clock gear, possibly. This is a pretty old bullet. Everything I research goes back to the Civil War era, maybe. But yeah, again, give me your thoughts on this time period. So, anyways, square nail was cool. I like finding them as long as I'm not digging them all day long. I did find 4 wheat pennies, 1920D, a 1925D, 1944D, and a 1950D, and then that nice Indian head penny, 1901. So, and then, you know, you look down here, this is a 1990 penny, so 89 years apart from being dropped. It's just kind of cool, I thought. And then I think this was maybe a zebra clip. And then you had this old kid shovel. So that's it. It's a wrap up. Hope to get back out there and find some more stuff, but we'll see. Got a couple other places, permissions lined up. Troy couldn't make it on this one, so hopefully the next one we'll see what me and Troy can find. I think we're going to church next. Okay, I'll see you at the next adventure.